Hello everyone. Today, Hot Ton will introduce the dish, bitter melon soup stuffed with meat, a traditional dish familiar in Vietnamese meals, especially popular on hot summer days. How to make ingredients. For bitter melons, 300 grams of ground pork, 50 grams of wood ear mushrooms, black fungus, 50 grams of shiitake mushrooms, minced shallots, green onions, cilantro seasonings, fish sauce, seasoning powder, sugar, ground pepper, cooking oil. Steps. Wash the bitter melon, cut into pieces about 4 centimeters long, use a small spoon to scoop out the seeds and seeds inside, wash again and drain. Soak the wood ear mushrooms and shiitake mushrooms, wash, and chop them. Put the ground pork, minced wood ear mushrooms, minced shiitake mushrooms, 1 teaspoon of minced shallots, and chopped green onion heads in a bowl. Season with 1.5 teaspoons of seasoning powder, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper. Mix well and stuff each piece of bitter melon with the filling. Add bone broth or water to the pot and bring to a boil. When the water boils, gently drop the stuffed bitter melon pieces into the pot. Reduce the heat and simmer. Cook for about 30 minutes until the bitter melon is soft, pale green, and the meat filling is fully cooked. Season to taste, salty, sweet. Presentation and enjoyment. Ladle the soup into a bowl, arrange the stuffed bitter melon pieces neatly. Sprinkle with chopped green onions, cilantro and a little ground pepper on top. This dish is usually served with hot rice and a bowl of spicy fish sauce. Things to note. To reduce the bitterness of the bitter melon, you should remove the white membrane inside, as this is the most bitter part. Blanch it in boiling water. You should add a little fat to the meat filling to soften it and prevent it from drying out after cooking. Always use low heat and cook for a long enough time for the bitter melon to soften. Bitter melon soup stuffed with meat is a traditional dish familiar in Vietnamese meals, especially popular on hot summer days. This dish not only provides complete nutrition with soft, sweet minced pork but also has the effect of cooling and purifying the body thanks to the characteristic mild bitterness of bitter melon. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Goodbye and wish you a cozy and delicious meal. See you again in the next delicious food sharing video.